Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today is the follow-up video on the unboxing video I did, which is the fake AirPods. This fake AirPods actually, it's not that bad, but yeah, let's see what I think about it, and coming right up. So first thing first, I would like to say is this fake AirPods, it has weight in it, so it doesn't feel like it's that fake. If you have casing on it, if you have some AirPod case, it fits right in as well. And also, if you do have an AirPod case, it doesn't look like you're having a fake AirPods with you. So if that is something you guys want to do, so for comfort wise, this does not feel that great. It fits fine, but you know, for long term, it doesn't feel that okay. At the same time, I'm playing with some of my call using this. Microphone sounds great, microphone is fine. Most of my friends say it sounds pretty normal. So I think that's a quite good thing about this. And the fact that I like about this is it has wireless charging, which is really helpful. And all I need to do is just place it. The only difference about the real one and the fake one, it has the one behind here, which is like the made in Apple California, those kind of textures behind. Yeah, other than that, it's pretty decent, and you can also charge it with lightning port as well, so if you guys prefer that. And it does comes with lightning cables inside. Oh, the ear tips they give extra does not fit, so you probably need to buy some third-party one online if you can find. If not, you have to buy the one from Apple. I'm not sure how that works. If the one from Apple is gonna cost like 99 ringgit, so I don't think you probably would buy something that much just for a tip for 99 ringgit. I think it should be 99. I'll pop it right here. And yeah, other than that, it sounds okay. It's not that bad. I mean, like, it's pretty good. I do like it. Like, I really do like it. And comfort wise, it's good. You know, whenever you open it up, it will just show on your phone that, oh, it's mostly almost connected. So once you open it up, it will show your AirPods right here, your battery percentage and all your stuff like that. So yeah, which is really great, and I haven't been using it for quite some time, and you can connect this to your MacBook as well. But there's also the features where you can turn on the noise cancellation. That does not really work that much. And honestly, you don't really hear that much of a difference. I'm not an audiophile, but at the same time, I feel like this is just an okay for its price itself. Like for around 50 ringgit, if I do remember, around 50 to 40 something, I think this is not that bad. Especially if you're an iPhone user, then this is really not bad, surprisingly. Yeah, and they did mention it has a GPS detector, all this kind of stuff. Yeah, it does have, you can actually find your AirPods on your phone. So other than that, I think this is pretty much worth buying. But the one thing I do like to say that it's not very comfortable if you're going to use it for a very long time, especially your ears. And probably because that the ear tips, I'm not so sure. It does not feel comfortable if you have it for a very long hour. So other than that, I feel like this is quite good a purchase. Probably there'll be some cheaper too in future. We do not know. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this short, informative video on the updated AirPods Pro, the fake one. Yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!